Welcome to Kids Corner. Today we'll be creating our very own nature mandalas. The word mandala literally means circle. A mandala is a combination of symbols and shapes that you can utilize during your meditation. All you'll need for today's project are things that you found in nature or things lying around the house. Enjoy! Hey Kids Corner, I'm out on a nature hike today and we are at a beautiful place on Casper Mountain called Lamberson Trail. And today I'm going to show you how to make a nature mandala. So all you have to do is gather things that you find on a nature hike with your mom or dad or your grandparents. And I always find things that are already laying on the ground. So I have some pine needles here that we're laying down and some pine cones. A mandala is a shape that you can make. It's a meditative art form and it's symmetrical on all sides. So you take a starting point, you start from the center and you move your way out. So I'm going to start with this greener pine cone. I'm going to start making my design. If you found flowers or leaves, you could use those as well. And so as you can see, all of my sides are the same. And I start moving outward. So from the center, I just move out. This is a really fun thing to do on a nature hike. And there's just one super simple mandala. Bye everybody. A final blessing. May all beings be peaceful. May all beings be happy. And may all beings be free from suffering. Amen.